Samsung will launch its next flagship phone, now confirmed to be called the Galaxy S9, on February 25th. The debut will go down next month at Mobile World Congress, MWC, in Barcelona. It's official, February 25th will be the big day. Earlier in January, the company confirmed to CNET that the Galaxy S9 would indeed be unveiled at Mobile World Congress, which this year runs from February 26th to March 1st in Barcelona. But now we have the invitation, along with a virtual fingerprint reader we saw at CES. Bolstering these reports are the things we know about Qualcomm's next-generation Snapdragon 845 processor, which is likely to power the Galaxy S9, and which has the potential to drive serious advancement in camera and security technology. With Apple's iPhone X dominating the spotlight throughout the second half of 2017, and, to a lesser extent, the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus, Samsung is undoubtedly eager to launch its response. This will help it move even further on from the debacle of its Note 7, which was recalled twice in 2016 due to exploding batteries. That the Galaxy S9 may feature a new technology that rivals the iPhone X's Face ID. According to an APK teardown of the latest Android Oreo beta for the Galaxy Note 8, future Samsung phones may have something called Intelligent Scan. Apparently, this is a new method of biometric authentication that combines iris scanning and facial recognition. According to the code, Intelligent Scan can unlock your phone and sign into websites, and works well in low light or bright conditions. Even before Apple upped the ante with the iPhone X, Samsung had something to prove in the facial recognition department after hackers fooled the Galaxy S8's iris scanner using a photo and contact lenses. But there's no guarantee that Intelligent Scan will make it into the Galaxy S9. We know that the next flagship will run Samsung's own Exynos 9 Series 9810 processor, at least in Asia. Given that the Snapdragon 835 debuted in the Galaxy S8, it's quite possible that the Galaxy S9 will be first out of Thursday gate with the Snapdragon 845, which is expected to enable a whole bunch of new features plus better battery life. So far, however, only Xiaomi's forthcoming Mi 7 is confirmed to use the Snapdragon 845. The Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus are likely to have 3000 and 3500 mAh batteries, respectively, just like their predecessors. But Qualcomm says its Snapdragon 845 chip delivers 30% better power efficiency, which could push the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus beyond the vaunted 20-hour mark. The S8 and S8 Plus both lasted about 16 hours in our tests, and the Note 8 about an hour longer. Two cams on the back, one on the front. Samsung's semiconductor branch has published a webpage detailing several new phone camera sensors, which could provide clues to the new technology coming to the Galaxy S9. There's also a Reddit user's photo, First Poo. Among the specs listed is a 5.8-inch Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED screen, dual rear-facing 12-megapixel cameras, and a single-lens 8-megapixel front cam. That throws some cold water on earlier reports suggesting that the Galaxy S9 would go full iPhone X, with two cams on the front. Of course, it's possible that the Galaxy S9 Plus model could double up for the front-facing array. The Snapdragon 845 would give the Galaxy S9 a big advantage, at least on paper, over other phones with killer cameras. In addition to securing bragging rights as the first to record 4K Ultra HD video, Qualcomm says the chip will produce brighter photography and video, reduce noise and make it possible to embed tiny videos within still portraits. The thing is, the S9 isn't looking like a phone to redefine the space. All the rumors, leaks and speculation to date point towards an iterative update. For those hoping for a game-changing device in the Galaxy portfolio, you may have to wait until 2019.